The daily life of commercial carpet. Thousands of shoes transfer dirt and contaminants from the outside environment into our inside world where it ends up on our carpet. Even daily vacuuming cannot prevent heavy traffic areas from assuming a negative appearance over time. With scheduled cleaning maintenance, this cycle can be reversed and the carpet lifespan increases to protect your investment. This also results in a positive health and visual impact for the occupants and clients. This patented low-moisture cleaning system has been developed by specialists and is used worldwide. Setup takes no more than a few minutes. Your business cannot afford the downtime associated with wet cleaning procedures. Downtime is not a problem for our system, as it uses little or no water and can be done even during regular business hours. The process makes less noise than a regular vacuum cleaner, and the carpets are instantly usable. The system allows the cleaning of areas with little or no downtime. Very little water is used, and it is 100% eco-friendly. You can clean whole areas, partial areas, or traffic lanes. You can even spot clean at any time. The system components consist of special micro sponges that are 100% organic and biodegradable. These micro sponges are brushed through the carpet with the counter-rotating brushing machine. They absorb the loosened soil and when complete can be disposed of with normal trash. They can even go into a compost pile. This cleaning method is approved and recommended by carpet manufacturers and cleaning experts worldwide. Regular carpet cleaning maintenance can extend the life of your carpets by up to 4 times. This system gives you the power to positively impact the visual aspect as well as the overall value of your carpet investment. So, super clean carpets with no downtime, no wet carpet, and eco-friendly? It just makes sense.